Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Oniro game crashing, not working, keep stopping, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So if you are also trying to play the game but unfortunately you are getting this kind of errors, just go through the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your device once. So when you come across any kind of issues while playing the game, just restart your device once. So for that, simply click on power plus volume up button and you will get a restart option. So restart your device. After restarting, now check if you can play the game. If not, you should also make sure your network connection is stable or not. So here you have to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to force stop Oniro game. So for that you have to hold the game icon, then go to the app info option over here, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. So after this, try to play it and see if it's working. If not, next solution is to clear cache of the Oniro game on your phone. So for that, again go to the app info and here you need to click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache. So after clearing the cache of the Oniro game on your phone, now check if you can play it. If not, next is to check whether your app needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store. Now in the search option, search for Oniro game and then here you should see if any update is available. If any update is there, update your game, and after updating, now check if the problem is fixed. Apart from this, you should also check whether your phone OS needs any update. For that, go to settings. Now go below, click on system update option and here if there is any update available, it will show update if there is any update available and you need to update your OS to the latest version. So after updating to the latest version, now try to play the game and see if you can play it. If not, next is to clear storage and data on your device. So for that, go to settings. Now here you have to click on RAM and storage option, then click on manage storage and here you have to check whether there is any storage issue or such kind of errors that is leading to such problems and stopping you from playing the game. So whatever you need to clean it, you simply clean up here from here, and after cleaning it, once done, you have to wait for some time while it's cleaning up all the junk files or other data that is of no use, and after that again try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Oniro game. So for that, hold the icon, now click on uninstall and click on uninstall option over here. Go to the Google Play Store, in the search option search for Oniro game and after that here you need to click on install option. So after installing the game once again, now try to play it and see if you can play it without any further problem. So these are few solutions to fix Oniro game not working, crashing, keep stopping, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android phone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.